Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Today we're going to open some Pokemon cards, and first off I want to give a quick shout out to Jimmy, aka Chaos Silencer. You guys might know or remember from the Call of Duty scene. My buddy over there, he's been doing some card pack openings on his second channel, and I stumbled upon those and it made me think, hey, that looks like fun. I've done a little bit of I've opened a pack or two like on Twitter and stuff like that, but I didn't even realize they have Stranger Things cards that if you get lucky enough, there is actually like pieces, there's like little patches of clothing, and stuff that they like wore during filming and stuff like that, like prop pieces and stuff. Like, it looked really cool, so I was thinking about, I want to open one of those because I'm a big Stranger Things fan myself, and I was happy to see that I had these Generations cards just laying in my office for whatever reason. I figured I'd start with these and ask you guys, if I start doing card pack openings like these, what cards would you guys like to see me open? Because there's a lot more stuff out there than I even realized. I might do some football cards, but I basically don't care about anybody in the league other than the Chiefs. I'm one of those guys that I don't play fantasy football or anything like that, because I just watch the Chiefs. I care about the Chiefs. I don't know enough about everything else that's going on in the league to really care about that kind of stuff. But I might do some football packs because I know you can get like patches of like Mahomes jerseys and stuff like that, and signatures and all that. But yeah, let me know if there's any other like pop culture references out there, stuff that you guys might know that I enjoy, or just stuff that you guys enjoy that there might be trading cards that I can do pack openings of. I've been looking at some old vintage stuff. There's like Super Mario, like the Super Mario movie from like way back when with John Leguizamo. It's terrible, but they have a trading card. I can buy like an entire case of that and do an opening. I don't know, just thoughts. I'm gonna stop rambling now. Let's get into the pack opening. So I was looking it up. Basically, the only card that's really exciting, and even that isn't super exciting, there's a Mega Charizard EX in these that's worth about 15 to 20 bucks. So that would be the best pull that we could get. Let's start with the old grass type, and you're gonna have to excuse me because I'm not exactly, I'm not a professional at this. So I think you take the top three, move them to the back, is how you're supposed to do this. So let's go here. Let's see what we, wait, and then all right, see, I'm just gonna leave that in because that's how bad and new I am at this. I wanna make sure I do it right. I actually had to look up someone's Generations pack opening to see. So yeah, you take the three to the back and then you flip it this way and you go face first. So first thing here, we got Fletching, Graveler, ooh, a Trainer, Yeehaw, Krabby. I do really like these cards. They're really cool because they are a nice throwback to the first gen, which is another thing about Pokemon cards. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to say, open Pokemon cards, this set, that set, whatever. I only care about Gen 1. I'm that guy. I'm old. I don't really care. Geodude, he looks pretty cool. We got, what are these? So these are called reverse hollows, right? So I'm going to get all the terminology wrong, and I can't wait to get roasted in the comments. So I believe it's a reverse hollow when the hollow isn't here and it's on this side of the card. Am I right? Reverse hollow Ghastly. Pretty nice right there. Oh, wow. Okay. We actually, our first pack here, we pulled a Flareon EX, full hollow, which not 100% sure, but that's, I think, one of the better that we could get, and then Dodrio. So that is pretty cool. I guess we'll do like piles of our best or something like that. That Flareon EX might be like one of the best cards you can get out of this. So and I've got young kids, so I'm probably just gonna give like all the non-rares just to my boys, and if I pull anything really rare on these, at least I'm probably just gonna sell them on eBay, to be completely honest with you guys. So let's get right into the second pack here. So we got the top three to the front, and here we go. We got Trainer, Floral Crown, another Graveler, Pokemon Fan Club, another energy card. Let's go. Another Geodude. This is the exact same. This is the same. This is the same pack. This is the same thing right here. Pikachu. Also, I'm normally probably going to open more. What was this? So this would have been 5 packs. I'm probably going to normally open more than 5 packs. It'll be like an entire box. Actually, let me know in the comments down below, guys. I found someone selling Gen 1 booster packs, like the ones from the 90s. It's like over $100 a pack. So we might do one pack just because it would be the coolest thing ever. Imagine getting, you know, a holographic first gen Charizard, but from what I hear, people can weigh those. They weigh the packs and they know that the little bit heavier packs, I believe it would be, would have the holographics, and then no one's going to sell a booster pack that weighs more. So I don't know. Anyways, Pikachu actually looks pretty cool. I don't mean to not give any attention to that. Also, I've been playing some of the, like the new Shield game and even Pokemon Quest, and that's kind of what's gotten me interested. Oh, we got another full holo here. What is it? Magmar. Okay. That's pretty sweet looking, though. I like that, but I don't think it's a huge value card, obviously. Not an EX. And then we got a Floette, Holo, and a Tauros. So those are pretty cool right there. But I have a feeling that Flareon EX is going to be our best thing in the video. I don't know if it's like... Should I just have nothing in the front? I don't know, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just opening Pokemon's cards. I'm leaving the Charizards for the finale for good luck, right? Surely. Surely you're not serious. All right, 1, 2, 3 to the front. There we go. So we got Snorunt. Snorunt. Okay, that's an interesting thing. Team Flare Grunt. Golbat. Big, huge bat. It's actually kind of cool art on that. I like seeing the... because it kind of looks like the game in the background. See that? Little paths and stuff. We got a Krabby. Another Machop. What was that? Our like third Machop. Another Green Energy. Another Geodude. And another Holo Ghastly. Imagine that. Or reverse holo. I'm sorry. I remember the pack opening that I did. Oh man, I got flared. Or flamed, not flared. I got flamed on Twitter because I called a reverse holo a holo or something. I don't know if it's shiny. I basically call it a holo. This is pretty cool. We got a Meowstic holographic and Rapidash. So nothing too exciting so far. Other than that, man, I'm surprised that first pack. All right, guys, left or right? Left Skidoodles. That first pack, we got that Flareon EX. I'm actually going to run. I have the Beckett or whatever open. 1 second, guys. Is it not an EX? Oh, that's not an EX. Oh, it is an EX. Why? Okay, hold on. I'm not seeing Flareon EX on the list that I'm looking at, so I'm a little confused. Have I mentioned I'm new to this? Anyways, my lord, I just murdered this packaging on this one. Alright, 1, 2, 3 to the front. Chikorita! I've always just enjoyed saying that one, so that's fun. We got a Pokeball, a red card. Okay, don't they give those out in soccer? Diglett, that is a very interesting Diglett card. Bunch of flowers and stuff. A Padass. Pikachu. Is this our first rare here, I think? Nope, next one. Pink Energy. Oh, cool, full holo Pikachu. It's a Purdy card, that's for sure. I don't know if it's worth much, but I like it. And then a Jirachi, is that how you pronounce that? Oh, nice. Okay, that's cool. I like that one. A holographic Machamp. Pretty neat artwork on that. I like that a lot. That's cool. So that pack was way better than the last one. Put that over there, I guess. Alright. Put those over in my kids' cards. They're going to have these things lost, torn up, flushed down the toilet in about 2.5 seconds. That's okay. At least they'll have fun, right? At least if they're having fun, I'm having fun, you know? Oh my god, I can't get these out. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3 to the back. Alright. Here we go. It's our last chance. Oh man, I think I saw a full holo back there. It's going to be a Charizard EX. It's going to happen. Alright, we got Shroomish. Sad looking little thing. Crushing Hammer. Haunter. Geodude. Feels like I have 2 there. That's a really thick card. That's weird. Another Pikachu. We got like 4 Pikachus in the full holo Pikachu. Caterpie, Energy, and this should be the rare. Ooh, full holo or reverse holo Clefairy. Actually, is the Pikachu reverse holo too? Yep, I'm an idiot. I called it a full holo. All right, so these are reverse holos. Am I right, guys? I need to learn. You guys need to learn me. So we got the reverse holo Clefairy. Oh my lord. A Mega Gardevoir? A Mega Gardevoir EX. Wow, that's purty right there. All right, so, and a Snorlax. Sorry, I didn't mean to hate on Snorlax. We gotta give some love to the big fella. We all know that. All right, so in conclusion, in review, in whatever, we got a reverse Ghastly, a reverse Clefairy, a reverse Pikachu. Would you call that a full holo? I guess that's a full holo, right? Because it's down on the, the Jirachi or Jiraki or however you say that. The Machamp is actually sick, man. That's like flashbacks to whenever I had a holographic Machamp back when I was in like, God, I don't even know, probably like 6th grade. I mean, that's just pretty cool. Different art, obviously, but cool to see. And then the Meowstic. Is that it? I think, yeah. And then Ghastly, or did we get 2 Ghastly? I can't. Yeah, we did get 2 Ghaslys. Oh yeah, and then we got a Floette as well. So those are pretty cool. And then the Magmar, excuse me, reverse holo is just, I like the flames down there on the bottom are pretty sweet. And then, so the Flareon isn't an M or a Mega, but it's still pretty sick. Try not to like try not to bend up these corners if I do decide to sell them. Shout out to the eBay account, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, there are the best pulls. We got the Mega Gardevoir, I still don't know how to pronounce that, and the Flareon EX out of our first pack. So pretty nice pulls actually out of only 5 packs. Not too shabby. So again, guys, I'm going to be reading the comments. Let me know what you guys would like to see. What packs, what different cards, what would you guys like to see? Are you interested in this at all? Or yeah, just I'm looking for information, for feedback. I'm having fun with the second channel right now. We're going to keep up with the eBay content, obviously, and I thought the cards would be a nice little addition, something else that would be fun for me to do on this channel. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.